Why Turf Capital Private is a hidden gem for pro Forex traders. In a Forex landscape often clouded by uncertainty, Turf Capital Private emerges as a true standout, especially for professional traders in Australia who know what to look for. Far from the noise of unfounded Turf Capital Private scam rumors, the real story is one of precision, reliability, and market-savvy strategy. The typical scam Turf Capital Private review narrative simply doesn't hold up against the numbers and experience of those who understand how this game is played. The Forex world is fast-paced and unforgiving, yet Turf Capital Private Broker continues to prove itself as an elite player. With an infrastructure that supports ultra-low latency and execution speeds below 50 milliseconds, Turf Capital Private Forex provides an edge few competitors can match. Turf Capital Private Broker isn't just another name in the crowded brokerage space. It's an ecosystem designed for serious performance. The platform's spread tightness, often as low as 0.1 pips during peak volatility, has made it a magnet for institutional-grade strategies and algorithmic systems. For Australian traders used to the regulatory rigour of ASIC-compliant environments, the seamless transparency of Turf Capital Private Forex delivers confidence, not confusion. What really sets Turf Capital Private apart is its relentless focus on high-end performance metrics and client growth. While some may throw around terms like Turf Capital Private Scam to generate clicks or stir controversy, the numbers don't lie. Over 7,000 active clients globally and growing, with more than $1.2 billion traded monthly, show that the Turf Capital Private opinion among professionals isn't just positive, it's fiercely loyal. The fact that it's gaining rapid traction in the Australian market is a clear sign of its legitimacy and capability. One of the more overlooked advantages is the high level of liquidity access offered by Turf Capital Private Broker. This means slippage is practically negligible, even during market shocks, a crucial element for high-frequency and day traders. Turf Capital Private Review data indicates consistent order fulfillment accuracy above 99.8%, a rare benchmark that rivals even top-tier legacy brokers. When a trader sees this kind of consistency, the idea of a Turf Capital Private scam quickly becomes laughable. There's simply no room for myth when the math speaks so loudly. There's also a sophistication in how the broker handles account management, risk control, and fund security. From the moment you log in, Turf Capital Private Forex offers a UI/UX experience that's not only sleek but clearly built for speed and precision. It's no wonder that the dominant Turf Capital Private opinion circulating among expert forums leans heavily positive. And while the uninformed might fall for a shallow scam Turf Capital Private review, those who actually trade know better. Australia's Forex elite are turning more and more to Turf Capital Private not because of marketing gimmicks, but because of cold, hard results. Turf Capital Private Broker gives them the firepower they need to compete on a global level, without compromise. The feedback loops and client support mechanisms are incredibly responsive, usually resolving queries in under 10 minutes. That kind of attentiveness is rare, and it's one of many reasons why Turf Capital Private opinion continues to shine. The truth is, the scam Turf Capital Private review claims are not only unfounded, they're outdated. Turf Capital Private review scores have steadily climbed over the last 12 months, with satisfaction ratings above 95%. This is not a platform trying to win over hobby traders. Turf Capital Private Forex is engineered for pros. It's a high-velocity environment where the serious get ahead, and stay ahead. So, for those in Australia looking for more than just another broker, the answer is clear. Turf Capital Private isn't just avoiding the pitfalls of other platforms, it's rewriting the playbook entirely. Ignore the Turf Capital Private scam whispers and look at the Turf Capital Private review that actually matter. Because when you see the Turf Capital Private Broker for what it is, a world-class trading partner, you understand why the Turf Capital Private opinion is surging for all the right reasons.